So next we're going to do a beautiful cranberry sauce with delicious fresh cranberries here. And we've got Paul and Paul Jr. To help us set the stage for this wonderful recipe. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so super excited to have my son Paul Jr. here with us. He helps me quite a bit. Like, he's been almost like a little co-star on some other things. He's all right.
You'll keep him. Oh, how nice. Good for you. All right, what are you gonna do first?
So we put it on, we have it on pretty high. So we're just gonna let that heat up for a minute, but what we're gonna do here again is intensify some of those flavors. So we got a cinnamon stick there, and then some of the fresh rosemary. So what you're gonna do, Polly, is you're gonna grab the end of the knife there and start crushing it. So again, you're gonna activate the natural juices, get them going. Just a quick one, not like around the whole thing, yeah. And then you can smell it, right? You can smell the juices, you can see the juices coming out, and then you throw it in there.
That's great. So those are the oils that you're releasing, right? And then you're heating up the oils, you're frying up the oils within the plant, which is then intensifying the flavor.
And you can do the same thing with the cinnamon stick over there.
Oh, do you see it there? Good job. There you go. Oh, how do you?
Just do a quick, yeah.
Woo, woo. All right.
A little bit more down there, yeah.
I have never pounded a cinnamon stick, I'll tell you.
That's okay if you do that.
That's what you want, right?
Just throw it in there, yeah. And I think we have 2 cups there, Polly, so you can dump it all in. Oh yeah, you can hear it crackling in there, right?
It's like a party in the pot.
Yeah,
and they're already cooking. They're already cooking. They're splitting in half. Wow.
And then we gotta grab some. You gotta zest that. So you got a zester there.
So how come you're massaging that orange first? What does that do?
It gives more juice.
Oh, it gives more juice.
That's what I'm guessing.
That's great. So we're gonna put the orange juice in there. I think first you go this direction, and then you take, some of the juice out.
Yeah.
And you just kind of do a gentle, squeeze like that. And then you can flip it.
Okay.
And that's what I do.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure.
You're not too sure? Okay. You're not convinced, right? You're not convinced.
Nice.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
But, you're going against anyways, that'll do. That's a lot.
Yeah.
This was a juicy orange by you squishing it like that. That was a big difference. And then the pulp just goes in here. Very good. Paul, this is amazing. Yeah. All right. Look at that.
Nice, there you go.
Wow, beautiful. If this isn't a vitamin C dose, I don't know what is. You got juice of lemon, juice of orange, cranberries, vitamin C everywhere.
Right? Oh yeah.
This is great.
And then the last thing is the sugar that we have.
Oh, okay, perfect. I clearly don't use my sugar that much. It's got like a tight seal on it. But yeah, you can adjust how much. We're gonna use half a cup. You want to do the scooping? Yeah?
Just one of this?
Yep.
Yeah, just one of that. Yeah, thank you. Awesome. Yeah, that's great. In the recipe, we said 1/4 to half a cup, depending on, how much you want to
Yeah, there you go.
adjust the sugar. Could people also use like honey or maple syrup?
Yeah.
Yeah, would that work too?
Yeah, definitely. It just depends on the flavor profile that you like, right?
Yeah.
Like if I was, again, doing something more along like the food sovereignty, like showcasing all the traditional things, I would definitely use like a maple syrup or agave honey as well too, right? I don't know if you guys can smell it already,
love
but
that.
it
And
looks
it
so
comes so
good and it
fast.
smells awesome too, right?
So we're gonna use that, and then we're going to make duck, which I've never made, so I'm really excited to do some braised duck with Chef Paul here, which are coming up next.